on, guys? Please don't have shoes on, guys. About to go into the basement at the. We're doing a bagging collection here. Show you almost all my collection of my baggings, plus orange sweeper that's Beyblade with the Nerf guns. Nerf guns for another video. So here we got the Shark cordless sweeper. This one's a working one, and it's replaced by this orange sweeper. Didn't really pick stuff up anymore, so that's why I bought this sweeper. Got this. I don't know the name of this. It's Electrolux thing. The guys in here. And there's another Electrolux. It's missing. It's missing its attachment.
I'm gonna be on YouTube. Maybe you could put it in your room or something.
Continuing with the vacuum collection. Here's this not mine's mom's. It's a Shark Navigator Electric Deluxe. It's unused. So this is unused. So what's over there? The Kirby Heritage Tube. And that's mine. So I'm walking out the porch. All is packed inside the box. A couple toy Dyson vacuums, DC-14 and DC-25. Eureka the Boss Super Light, the red one, there's a red one, and there's a white track one. And the Dirt Devil Power Stick. So let's move on to the basement. So I'm at the basement now, and it's most of my collection belongs. Mostly all of them the broken vacuums. Some didn't work, but they broke down because it flooded. I didn't film here going down here because it's messy. So starting up in the collection, the Kirby Centimeter 2, missing its back and front also. The Orc XR2, this one's my mom's vacuum, but broken. I removed the Eternals with this. There's this old Dirt Devil thing here. Another Dirt Devil, we got a Kenmore back there. Eureka the Boss Airspeed, that wasn't unsafe and broke down. And I cut the cord on this. Some of the vacuum's cord cut off of this. This is Eureka the Boss Airspeed. Got a few pistols. There's this pistol right here. We got a Hoover right here. This was my grandma's vacuum. The Eureka the Boss Super Light was my grandma's vacuum. Back there, we got a pistol. And it's my first vacuum that doesn't really work anymore. It's the pistol Easy Back. And there's a Dirt Devil back there, and you see behind it. See, behind this is a Shark cordless sweeper. That was ours. And the battery doesn't work, and there's no belt in there. So that's everything about my collection of vacuums. Anything what to say? Please like, comment, and subscribe if my comments turn on, leave comments. So that's basically my collection. So let's go back up to my room. I'm gonna use magic powers. So that's the vacuum collection of all the vacuums I have. I used to have a Dirt Devil Power Max. I don't have any more. Reason is because with the Shark right here was my engines in the board, so and it happened and I got it back, so I don't have any more. It's a good vacuum to use. So that's basically it for the collection. So bye.